Hey there, and welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial video for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest ways to download AI-generated images from the AI generative program Midjourney. So, as you know, Midjourney is an AI generative software that creates images from simple text prompts. Now, one of the most common ways to use Midjourney is to implement it with a Discord server as shown here. And one of the best ways in order to download an AI-generated image from Midjourney on Discord is to simply right-click the generated image, then select Save Image As, and choose a location in your computer in order to save the image to that location. Extremely simple, right? Well, there are also other ways to download images from Midjourney itself. If we go to the Midjourney website and log in with our Midjourney account, we can see all the images that we have generated using the account. We can select any image that we've generated and then click on the three dots in the lower right corner below the image. And if we select Save Image, we can download that image directly from the Midjourney website. Now, if you want to download more than one image at the same time, if you go back to your account profile dashboard on the upper right corner, click on this icon in order to enable selection mode. By enabling selection mode, we can select images that we wish to download as a group file. After selecting the images we wish to download, go ahead and click on Open Downloader, and then you can simply download all the images that you chose. You also have the option to change the batch size and make a manual selection to prepare it in a zip file. And that's really all there is to downloading images from Midjourney either through Discord or on their website itself. That's all we have for today's episode, so thanks so much for watching. Leave a like if you learned something new, and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you all in the next one.